In this video, we're going to create bootable flash drive using CMD. First, pupunta tayo sa Chrome and isi-search natin ang Windows 10. And then, scroll down and download now. Tapos, i-click natin yung nasa taas, yung download. And click yes. So, yan. I-wait lang natin kasi matagal talaga yung progress niya. So, pagkatapos niyan, click accept. So, i-wait na naman natin yan. Another progress. And then next, dahil gagawa tayo ng bootable flash drive, create installation media. And click next. And pindutin lang natin yung kulay blue. Yan. And next. Click next. Click ISO file. And then next. And ilagay natin sa file name Windows 10. And enter. And click yes. So yan, antayin natin mag-download yung Windows 10. So, pagkatapos nun, i-click natin yung finish. Then, punta tayo sa files. Then, pumunta tayo sa download. And, i-click natin yung Windows 10. So, yan yung ika-copy natin later. Next is, pumunta tayo sa command prompt or CMD. Type this part and then enter and click yes. So, here's our flash drive. Ilalagay lang natin yung flash drive sa laptop. Then type this disk and then enter. Yung this 0 yung kwan ng laptop and this one is the flash drive. Then select disk 1. Then enter and clean. Next is create partition primary. Then enter. Select partition 1. Tapos ma-enter, type active and then format, then enter and then yan, this folder is empty. Type assign and then last is exit. And then, i-copy lang natin yung kanina. Control C. So, ayan. Pag na-complete na siya, tapos na, bootable na yung flash drive.